My student could not believe the type of products that actually sell on Amazon. What's going on, YouTube family? My name's Garrett. I'm a full-time Amazon seller, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how the most random products sell on Amazon and how you're likely missing out on opportunities just because you pass by products that you think do not sell when they actually do. And I was inspired to make this video because one of my students inside the Arbitrage University was like, hey Garrett, I went to the Nike outlet this weekend, or the Nike clearance store, and I scanned a bunch of stuff. The only thing good were the shoes, but the shoes don't have box tops and I can't sell them on Amazon. So I proceeded to ask him, I said, well, did you scan any of the clothing, the backpack, the socks, the accessories, the hats, the sandals, all that other stuff that's inside of Nike clearance stores? He said, no, I just scanned the shoes. And I said, well, why didn't you scan all the other stuff? He's like, well, I just don't think, backpacks would sell on Amazon that good. And I was like, dude, you probably passed up on a ton of profitable products just because you assumed something isn't selling without even doing some research on it, right? And the great thing about Amazon is they provide us as sellers with all of the data we need to know whether or not an item is actually selling. So I said, hey, go back to that same Nike clearance store and scan the accessories, scan those backpacks, scan the clothing, scan the sports bras, scan everything in the store and tell me what you find. And lo and behold, he went back the next day to the same exact Nike clearance store, scanned all the stuff, and he got the 30 items max that he's allowed to purchase at that outlet. And he was like, wow, I didn't know just t-shirts sell, basketball shorts sell, and he got a ton of profitable inventory. So the moral of this story, guys, is when you're out there sourcing, you're doing online arbitrage or even wholesale, don't just look at a product. Like, you might find something like this nail polish remover and you're like, that's not selling well on Amazon. Who's gonna buy a nail polish remover? Or for example, some tissue papers or something. You're like, that crap isn't gonna sell on Amazon. I'm not even gonna waste my time looking into that, when lo and behold, a lot of these type of products are the essentials that people use all the time and they need it. People always need socks. People need backpacks to go to school, to go to work, they go hiking. They're using these items every day, and just because you think there isn't a market for those products, someone out there needs those products. I mean, just think about it. Do you wear socks? Do you have a backpack? These are just the kind of items that my student thought wouldn't sell well, when all reality, those are some of the top selling products on Amazon. So when you're out there in the market, at stores, shopping online, don't pass up something because you think it's not gonna sell, right? Do the research, look at Keepa, look at the sales charts, look at the price history on that product, look at the sales velocity, are other sellers selling that product, so on and so forth. So you can determine, hey, just because this is a random product, I don't even know what it is, it's selling. Keepa's telling me it's selling. The sales rank is telling me that it's selling. It has 1,500 reviews. This product's gonna be a good buy to flip on Amazon. So like I said, don't get that just bias towards different products. I see this a lot. A lot of people are so focused on thinking they know what's gonna sell, but they really don't. Like, I've sold some of the most random products on Amazon were my most profitable. Like this year, my biggest retail arbitrage hit of the year were some little knee sleeves, right? A lot of people would walk past some just generic knee sleeves and go, oh, that's not even worth scanning. Who's gonna sell that? But me, I know there's a market for everything. So I looked it up and this thing was flying off the shelves. You had to manually research it, and I was able to go to a bunch of different retailers in my area, clear them out, and I probably made over $15,000 in profit selling this one item from retail arbitrage just because I looked into it, I did some manual research, and I found that product. Something as simple as a knee brace can make you a ton of money. A knee sleeve, just the most random stuff. I've sold cooking spray, I've sold just stuff that you wouldn't believe that people actually buy, they buy. So when you're out there shopping, don't pass up on everything. That's the benefit of scanning literally everything when you're first starting. You start to realize, like, holy crap, there's literally a market for all different types of products. So you don't have that bias towards one thing or another. Scan everything when you're first starting, so you start to learn, hey, this random trinket sells extremely well. So when you go out there in the marketplace 6 months later, you find something very similar to it, you go, hey, I sold a product like this before. Let me see if this one's selling. And you start building that knowledge base inside of your mind, that reseller Rolodex, to where you have the skills and the knowledge when you're outsourcing. It makes it a lot easier to spot opportunities. So that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Just wanted to cover that for you. If you're new to the channel, definitely consider joining the family and subscribing if you like getting that Amazon selling knowledge. Also, if you're looking to grow and scale your own Amazon business, definitely check out the Arbitrage University, link down in the description. And that's going to wrap it up for this one. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.